Hello, hello, hello! On this episode, we take you to the Chao Phraya River at the newly opened Siam Yacht Club. This venue can be a destination by itself due to the views and the ambience. Apart from the drinks, we're here to try their signature menu by Chef Nu Natchiyapong Hom Som Butchoti. Come join us to see if the food is as spectacular as the view. We were presented with many varieties of mouth-watering dishes, like this one, the Seafood Tower. From seafood to fried items to pasta to my favorite, fresh from the sea raw oysters. The best way to have this for me is just a few drops of lime. That's the taste of the sea. This could be the only thing I eat for the night. It was so good. The other items were also very tempting. The Captain Bush Seafood Tower is packed with crabs, prawns, lobster, and mussels. It comes with Thai spicy seafood dip, Japanese ponzu, and Thai ferment fish paste. Starting with the mussels, don't let the size mislead you. Taste-wise, it packs a punch, and the fermented fish paste complements it even more. For you sauce junkies out there, they even have more sauce at the table. Sweet soy, ginger tang, and chili jam. All the sauces were great and provides a varieties of taste, but the quality of the mussels and how it was prepared was the key. You can see it's still moist and it has its natural sweetness. It's already good by itself. The lobster is a must for a seafood tower. It spells luxury. This one does not disappoint with its big claw and juicy meat. I have it with a ponzu sauce. The tail is less juicy but firm, so the spicy seafood sauce is the way to go. Chef Nu also does creative food. Tonight we try 4 of them. This looks just like a potato prawn salad, but actually it's not. It has a very funky, appealing scent. Turns out the chef puts his Isan heritage into it, pala or fermented fish. This one is the pecorino al tartufo, tart-like topped with fresh pineapple jam, and aged pecorino. Next is seafood calamaretti, pasta form of a squid with many varieties of seafood in a flavorful salted egg yolk sauce. This is tempura, but not just any tempura. It's a Moroccan-style tempura that mixes Ras El Hanout, a Moroccan spice, in the batter. From all the seafood, without a steak would be a mistake. Here we have a black onyx, black Angus, New York strip loin steak with high marble score. You see it's perfectly cooked with a caramelized crust. This beautiful meal will not be complete with desserts. Banana caramel chocolate. The chocolate is very intense, well balanced with the banana. Adding the salted caramel makes it so satisfying.